Welcome to our weekly market update, everybody. I've got Maddie and Shay with me today. How are we, guys?
Good, thank you. Thanks, how are you?
Good, thank you. Hope everyone's not getting blown away out there. Looks like we've got some massive snow fronts coming through today, so it seems like we've got a real dose of winter after leaving us with a pretty mild start. So it's it looks like lots and lots of lost power and strong winds and all sorts of things.
The weekend was hectic, and I was on call, so I was like very much waiting for those calls to come through, but not many did, thankfully. Touch wood.
Hopefully everyone stays safe out there today, and we can steer clear of all the potential hazards. So, how's the market this week in sales? We've had a bit happening this week.
Yeah, we have actually. Yeah. We seem to have had a lot more land listings and some more land sales as well, which has been great.
Yep.
A little bit out of the norm from what we've had over the previous couple of weeks. So,
yes. Yeah.
And we had some really great numbers at the open homes on the weekends as well. We had 3 of one of our ones in Surges Bay. We had none at one of them, but that was their 4th open. And then we've had kind of 2 and 3 at some other ones as well.
Yep.
So pretty good numbers right the way around the board. So.
Yes, no reasonable volume of people.
Yeah.
Which was, and a few people around over the weekend.
We had a few walk-ins over the weekend just to chat about rentals and both sales as well, which was great too. So lots of our property booklets out the front had disappeared, so it means there was lots of people around as well. So it was good.
And a few properties sold this week.
Yes, we have. We had at least 3 blocks of land that sold last week. And then we've had a couple of houses that have gone through as well, which is great.
A busy week.
Yeah.
What's been happening in property management? How's that list of all those available properties going, Maddie?
We get a couple down and then a couple more come in, which is great. Our list isn't quite as big as it has been over the last couple of weeks, just because we've been head down, bum up, getting some leases signed. We're finally finalising a couple of them, the higher price ones that have probably been sat there for a little bit longer. So finally found the right person for that, for those ones. But it's like I said, as soon as we get a couple off, a couple more come in. The inquiry rate is still really high for appraisals. Tenant inquiry isn't as low as I have seen it before, but it has dwindled a little bit in comparison to like a year or 2 ago. But in saying that, there's always room for the perfect tenant. You don't need lots, you just need that one. I think we've got 12 online at the moment. Should have a finalised lease on at least 2 or 3 of those. I put up our new ones on Main Street, 116 Main Street, Unit 2 and 3. They're up for 480, brand new builds, so they're sure to be popular. Popped them up ready for hopefully a good few open homes this week. And then we should have another unit at 76 Main Street coming up in the next week or so. So units are a little bit popular at the moment.
Especially in your build.
It's really good. Inquiry level on units is generally a little bit higher than houses at the moment too.
Is that because of the affordability? Usually units are a little bit less per week. So.
And we are seeing some units that have even just a little yard. They're a little bit more popular than the ones that don't really offer too much for yards. So people are just sort of sacrificing the yard space for the affordability ones.
We had a big week Launceston on Wednesday. Our team with training and awards day up there, so we had some great awards. There's Shay beside me, who was a Rising Star of the quarter after being a Rising Star of the year, which means it's the best agent in Harcourts in Tassie for that period, who's been under 2 years in real estate. Got a first silver award as well, so congratulations. And we have Jordan placing his first titanium award at number 5 in Tassie for the quarter, which is really, really strong performance. And we had a gold award for sales, which was good, another strong quarter. I think we were number 3 office in the state, actually. So that's good to be back up there amongst the best offices. And
you and your team got?
Yes, we were number 2 as well. So and property management got bronze award. We didn't quite win as many as last time, so we had a bit of catching up to do there, but that's all right. We've had a very good run with property management. They held up the sales team last quarter for the awards, so that's sales turn to take over and give property management a bit of a rest for a change.
Only for 1 quarter.
But other than that, market has been generally good. As you heard from these guys, we're still had quite a bit of activity happening. We've got some new team members that have joined the team, so I'm sure you've seen some posts over the last week or two with that as well. So lots happening in the marketplace, and I think that's about it for this week. We'll see you next week, and see you then.